guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing a unboxing first impression type video, specifically from Planterina shop. Now this is my first time ever ordering plants online, but I did receive this yesterday and I was like so anxious and excited to open it, but a little light bulb came on and gave me such a great idea that I should be doing it with you guys in case you are undecisive on ordering plants online. I know Planterina, she's a wonderful teacher on teaching us how to care for our plant babies, as well as I just love all her videos in general. I binge watching her. So I do want to give this just an honest review on this as well, just how well her plants are, how the packaging came and things like that. So you know what, let's just go ahead and get started because I'm pretty sure these plant babies are ready to get out of here. Okay, so I have my knife and I'm so excited to open this. I don't know which side to open, but I'm gonna do it this way where my address is at. And I don't want to cut too deep just in case. Like, I don't want to cut a plant. Okay, opening the box. I hope you guys can see it. Let me fold these in out. And I think it came beautifully well packaged. It just really I don't know, like really nice and neat put together in here. It's wrapped. It has a tie here, the stake, I don't know. So I think it came perfectly. I don't see any type of like soil in here. Like, it does not look messy whatsoever. So that is a plus for me, I think. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get these babies out. The one that catches my attention is this one because this one is peeking out. So I don't know which plant that one is. Okay, so it does have a little bit of soil in here, but that's fine. And then just easily pull this out, untie it. Oh my gosh, so this is my CB blue. You guys know that when I went to my local nursery, she had one available, but it was just overpriced. And I got this one off of Planterina because it was finally in stock again when she had posted that they were finally restocked for us to go ahead and pick one up before they were sold out again. So I had to quickly pick it up. But as I was also going to get this, on her next side of her story, she also said that if you included a $32.50 value of a plant, you can get one free. But I'll show you that one in a minute. Let's just do one thing at a time. So this one is a Cebu blue, and this one is just very gorgeous. It has, oh my gosh, and it is trailing. I think I have to untangle it to get all of this out. But oh my god, look how beautiful this is. Don't know if I wouldn't keep this stake up, maybe, but we'll see. I don't know how I feel about that, because I do want her to trail and have her leaves coming down and just taking over my house. I do not care. But a 4-inch pot is a very hard to find rare plant and range in different varieties of foliage. It can be blue, it can even turn silver. I can't wait to see that it turns silver on these. I think that would look beautiful. And here is a new growth here. It's just gorgeous, I think, in my opinion. I love this plant and I'm so happy that I finally got it, and this is one of my wish plants. So it's still in its nursery pot, and she did put this stake in here, so it's totally up to you how you want to care for your plant. You can grow this in a trellis or in a stake, but as for me, I think I want this one to trail down. I'm still indecisive, so I don't know. For right now, I'm just going to mesmerize into her. Oh my gosh, you guys, beautiful. Now we're gonna move on to the other plant. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this one is. Look how big this leaf is. This is gorgeous. And then we have a new growth right here. And oh my gosh, guys, I am so in love with it. Oh, that is stunning. This one is our philodendron Prince of Orange. And this one is in a 4-inch grow pot, which is just beautiful. I just love how it has the red vines here, or what would you call this? But just look at the foliage on these leaves. Let me give you a closer look on this one as well. How beautiful, right? So I am in love with this one. Now I do have notes here, and this one is a, like I said, a philodendron Prince of Orange. And in the description it says, this colorful indoor plant is worthy of its royal name, with bright orange new leaves that turn into bright light green foliage over time. It makes a fun and cheerful gift. This houseplant does best in bright indirect light, and its soil should be allowed to dry slightly between waterings. Each philodendron is handpicked from the greenhouse, carefully packaged, and directly shipped to you. This plant is toxic if ingested. Keep away from pets and small children. It may also cause skin irritation. So just be careful of your fur babies. You don't want them to be eating on your plants because it is toxic. And she does say on the note that I received on the box that if the soil is dry, to go ahead and immediately water them. But on both of the plants, they seem pretty moistened, so I'm going to skip on the watering. But so yeah, so look at this one. It's just so gorgeous. I'm going to remove this stake. I don't think I want this one stake. But so yeah, this is just very beautiful. Now it's time to go find some more pots for these beautiful plants. Okay, so now we're going to talk about all the goodies, which is going to be the ordering, the value of these plants, and just all that good stuff. So I do have my notes here just because my brain has just been all over the place, and this will help me to remember what I've been wanting to say. So this was a $59 value. Just the Cebu Blue itself was $59, but because I purchased this one, Planterina had a sale going on a buy one get one, and the philodendron is a $32.50 value. So because I bought the Cebu Blue and added this one to my cart with the coupon, I did receive the philodendron free. So I think that was a good steal. For the price of one, I got two. So and the Cebu Blue is in a 4-inch grow pot, as well as the philodendron. It's also in a 4-inch grow pot, and she does have other options if you want a more beautiful planter. You can add that as well. But so yeah, so I did order these plants when was it, July 10th. I received it July 21st. So in total it took 11 days. Now I know that can seem a bit harsh, especially because if you're anxiously impatient like me, that we just can't wait to receive our plant babies. But it did take a while in my opinion, but like I say, it could just all be me. I'm just so impatient. But they did arrive here beautifully and well packaged. As you guys seen, we opened it together. It did have a little bit of soil thrown in the box, but I don't care too much about that. So I think that's pretty much it. If you follow her on Instagram, she always has deals going on, coupons and things like that to when to purchase your plants. She has, you know, you can get a great deal if you just keep update with it and things like that. But so yeah, so I'm gonna give you my honest opinion and review about this. I am in love with it. It came Like I said, well packaged. The plants are trailing and beautiful and thriving. There's a new foliage coming in. I'm just so excited and can't wait to see them grow here in my home. I think I will be ordering again from her shop, just because like I said, I love her plants. I watch her videos and I binge watching her videos. I think, in my opinion, she's a great teacher on teaching us how to care for our plant baby. Yeah, I think that includes this video. That's everything that I wanted to say. I don't see anything else that I wanted to mention. But so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Thanks, guys.